Welcome to the Ridgway world. I'm Jeff, you're not. Hey, do you ever have one of those days when you're getting ahead of yourself, you're acting a little like nothing could go wrong? Let me show you what went wrong. Come on out here into my little world here. Hi, keep up.
I'm keeping up.
Come on out, pups. No, don't trip me. These are kids. So this past weekend we were on a camping trip. We did some videos, but it was boring as hell, right, hon?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, it was a good campground. Sun Resorts, Cape May Wildwood, but either way. So I'm bringing the camper in from the trip, and I have to go like 8 different directions to get it to where it belongs. Show over there where it belongs.
Mm-hmm.
So to get it there, I have to go up here. So we move cars here. And then I pull up there, then I back it up towards the dumpster, then I come up here to back it in there. Well, this stinking no good rotten tree right here. See
It's not a rotten tree. Melissa gave me that tree.
Well, that's why it's rotten.
Stop.
Look how big it's got. So I trimmed
beautiful.
the branches off thinking that, I have plenty of room. But I don't want to scar up the Cedar Creek, the Silverback edition I might add. So I start cutting it back here, looking in both mirrors, as Connie always says, 5 to 7 seconds, look in both mirrors. So I'm cutting it, well that big ass branch there is cutting the side of the trailer. So I don't want any scratches, so I pull all the way up here, looking at the tree, and I rode for the goddamn well cap, right here, look. $450 worth went under my truck. So the moral of the story is,
they fixed it. They did a great job.
They fixed this. We know people. They fixed it. They came out quick and took care of it for me.
But now that you knew how much it cost, you wish you could do it yourself.
It kind of pisses me off.
You wanted to do it yourself.
Right. So $450 later, but again, I own it. I did it. I screwed up. I should have been paying more attention. Asshole over shoe sole, I think is the word.
I don't know, but you don't have to cuss.
I don't care. So, but either way, I ran it over. I owned it. I went right in and told Terry, I said, yo, I screwed up. I ran over the wellhead.
It's okay.
I know.
It happens.
But it bothers me because, you're trying to be ahead of the ball game. You're trying to get home. You're trying to get your stuff put away so you can do things and mow the lawn and everything. So, but again.
Yeah, it's okay.
The man got boned. I did wrong. John, stay local.
Johnny.
So.
Come on, baby. Johnny. Come on. Stop peeing all over the place. Let's go.
So either way, got to do a little landscaping, a little grass seeding, and...
Landscaping?
Landscaping, because that has to be raked out properly to get the clumps out, and then grass seed has to be put in. All right?
Mm-hmm. So we just got home, and I'm looking at my gnome stuff. This is the stuff that I have to do. Look at this fella here, right? So we must have had, come on puppies. We must have had some mischievous little elves in our yard because I come over here to my gnomes and this has been knocked down and this one's upside down, which I really don't care about. Somebody took my knee pad and put it in my lake that I'm building and put a squirrel on top of it like it's a raft. Now, thank God I didn't have all my other stuff out here yet. I'm still working on it. JT had said that he found all the gardening tools over just thrown in the yard. So I don't know what we had. I mean, we could have had a storm, but I don't think a squirrel would be on my raft. And there's my pool boy.
Yeah, your pool boy's gonna clean a mess up.
I know, there's a lot of pollen, isn't there?
Well, it's slowing down now. Hey, you want to see something really cute though?
Really cute.
Really cute. Come here. Look at the skimmer.
And a skimmer?
Look at the skimmer. So, yeah, you'll enjoy this.
What, like a toad?
Just watch. Look. Just Enjoy the moment, would you please?
Enjoy the moment.
Right, John? Tuna! Oh, tuna!
Oh,
fish,
now
you went
she's soaking wet. Look at her. She loves the water.
in. Don't drink it, puppy, then you get the diarrhea.
Oh.
All right, either way.
What
come
are
over
you
here.
talking about?
Check this out. No, get on this side. You got to get over here for the moment.
Why?
It's adorable, really.
It's adorable.
It's adorable.
Something in the
Look.
skimmer is adorable.
Yeah, look,
I don't think
ready?
so.
Look. Oh!
God, Jack! Is that real?
No, it's not real. It's actually a rubber snake with string tied to it to make it look like to scare the shit out of somebody if they pulled it up.
Oh my
But
God, that looks
luckily-
real.
But luckily, JT had told me ahead of time about it.
Yeah, but look how it's like turning and
I know,
stuff.
but it fits perfectly in a skimmer. Whoever set it up actually thought it out, I think, a little bit. But here's my other problem. Follow me on this one.
You know what?
Okay,
We're gonna have to-
I'm good for a practical joke. I really am good for that.
Wait a minute, you're walking too fast.
Don't
Jesus.
trip over shit. Somebody cut my Polaris hose.
Okay, now that's not funny.
That's taking it a little to another level that I'm not, very good about. So the Polaris is like almost $1,000.
I'm sorry,
And
I can't
anybody
hear
who has a pool knows about it. It's sacred. It keeps your pool clean. But somebody took a knife and cut it because the other end is still underwater, stuck to the bottom of the pool. So I'm kind of having a feeling that this may be another Joe thing to get us back for the silly string thing.
Well, did you check the cameras?
I haven't checked it yet because I've been out here doing this, but this is the first time I've seen this. The first time I've been out here since we got back. But to see that thing's cut. There's no way around it. It's cut. So it takes it to another.
I don't know why if somebody would mess with that.
Oh, you don't think so?
No.
Okay, somebody with their feelings hurt, their panties in a bunch, because they got silly string, they got mashed potatoes on the face, maybe sneaking over, con Larry into maybe coming over too with him, and maybe, and thinking it's cute because I'll cut this and they'll be able to fix it real quick. No.
How can you tell that it was cut?
Because the other half is right there. You can see it.
I understand it's in two pieces, but couldn't it be possible that it's like dry rotted or something?
No,
Why
because
does
I
it have
think
to be-
evil, and I think people are evil towards us. So we got to be prepared for it. Okay? So we got to get the group together. I got to give your sister a call and get her ass over here. All right? And find out what's going on. See if she knows anything. All right?
You're going to call her
Yeah, I'm going to call her.
tonight?
Yeah, tonight. Because this pisses me off. I got time for this. This is very expensive, this type of stuff. A snake in the tank's cute. Oh, okay, that's cute.
Don't jump the gun on that.
But that's what I do. I jump the gun on things. I jump to conclusions.
Yeah, well, let's find out. Let's get to the bottom of it first.
All right. Well, either way, I'll get your sister. John, you got to move, buddy, because I'm not going in the drink right now because the water's a little too chilly for me. So, but I'll give your sister a call. I'll talk to the boys. This is, this is a little too much now.
Gosh, you know what? I'm thinking we ought to lock the gate from now on.
No, well, we should be locking the gate anyway.
Well, I know that, but I mean, we haven't been. We've been very lax.
Well, that's because Mrs. Amazon lives here.
All right, don't even start.
What?
Maybe I do Amazon, but you just ran over a pipe that was $450.
But, you got me there.
Uh-huh.
I did it. And I owned it. Didn't I come running in like a scalded little kid and, oh, Mom, I ran over the pipe. But didn't I call immediately and get it fixed?
Yes.
Okay. Did we lose water?
What do you mean, do we lose
We didn't lose water, did we?
Yeah, the pressure was
The
really...
pressure's bad, but we didn't lose water. So
Oh.
that's the bottom line. All right, everybody. We're going to take care of this and get to the bottom of it. So everybody have a great day and a good life.